You still there?
Yes.
Connecting.
It just came on and went off again.
Wait,
Whoa!
I'll tell you when.
Boom! Just like that. Let there be light.
We have light. Over.
So here we go. New day, new hat. Different day. Different day, different hat. So we've got the whole team with us today. Got my little helper next to me. Hey! Got Darwin and James.
Ready to do this?
Where are we going?
We're gonna go pick up some rice straw.
So I guess these are the days that we've always dreamed of. Farm life. That's where we get our NEPA from, direct from the boat. Right here, straight into the tuk-tuk. Direct, can't get more local than that. Julian's always working. He's always finding something to do.
Now we don't need to buy water.
Ungoy for a while. What you got to say, Ungoy?
We are starting.
No bananas. No banana. Do you want a banana?